Hey guys, in this video we're just going to be having a look at Reef Finance right now, currently breaking out of the support resistance, right here at 22 cents or 2.2 cents. Let's have a look at Bitcoin first, because Bitcoin is king, as we know. So first of all, we do have a bearish divergence right here. As you guys can see, we got an increase in the charts and a decrease on the RSI. That is a hidden bearish divergence, so we could see a nice little pullback soon. Really depends when, unless we manage to see a nice little top right here at 78. Having a look at the Elliott Wave, guys, I mentioned that we were in the middle of an Elliott Wave a couple of weeks ago actually, and now we are essentially finishing the wave. So this was the first, second, third, fourth right here, and then fifth. I did mention that the fifth wave would reach 50,000, and as you guys can see right here, I believe we peaked at 49,927, so that's almost 50,000. Let's have a look. So we peaked, we actually touched 50,000. This is the 50,000 line right here. We give it a nice little kiss and bounce back down. Let's take away these the RSI. Having a look at the moving averages, the exponential moving average EMA ribbon. Nothing new to see over here. I told you guys, not financial advice a couple of days ago, but I told you guys that putting a long at the 20 EMA ribbon would be a nice little long. Of course, having your stop loss below, depending on the leverage you're using, that's on you, not on anyone else. So that things are looking pretty good right now. Having a look at the EMA ribbon, the moving averages on the daily time frame, that's a beautiful breakout above the 200 moving average. This is exactly what we want to see. On the 4-hour time frame, nothing too crazy, still in the trend. The trend is your friend until it bends, as you guys know. Let's have a look. Boom, this is the trend right here, and we had 2 touches, so this is a trend confirmation. So we could come back down one more time to hit approximately 47,000, high 46, before bouncing up and essentially continuing this run, or perhaps consolidate from here. This is Bitcoin, guys. Having a look at Reef now. Reef on the daily time frame. Let's start off with the daily time frame real quick. Take away these moving averages. So Reef, guys, I've been talking about Reef for quite some time now, and I did mention that once we would break and retest this resistance, the support, we would essentially come back and it would be essentially a good long until at least the nearest resistance. And this is exactly what we're seeing right now. We saw a nice little touch right here on the resistance. This is resistance right here, all of this. Let me zoom out. Another resistance right here, and we essentially broke it. So now this resistance right here at 22 or 2.2 cents essentially acts as a support zone. So that means that we could, next time we correct, or next time Bitcoin does have a major correction or a little minor correction, we could perhaps see something like this and then bounce back up. So if you guys think you missed this train, don't FOMO into Reef. Very possible we have one more test. We could go maybe 2 candles up, or even one, maybe one tomorrow, retest this nice little short resistance, come back down before going up for good. That's very possible. This is why it's not good to FOMO into these 15% candle right away, because we could see a correction essentially, especially if you guys are using leverage. Another thing, guys, is we do have this nice little beautiful cup and handle right here. This is the cup and that's the handle. Okay, if you guys don't know what a cup and handle is, you could either look it up, or if you don't understand what I'm about to say. So this is the cup right here and the handle. Now in a cup and handle, we usually have a support zone. Okay, you could also call this an inverse head and shoulder, but I don't like how it looks because the U is so big, or the cup is so big. So I don't like how this looks. But anyways, usually when we have a breakout, it doesn't matter if it's a double top, double bottom, or cup and handle, we usually come back, retest before going back up. Now let's see what our price prediction for Reef could be. Assuming we take this right here, we bring it down to from the neckline to the bottom of the cup, and we take it at the breakout, which is exactly what we're witnessing right now. This would be a target of 3.3 cents right here. So now if I take this right here and I do the calculation, whether you're playing with leverage or not, that's a 50% increase. Now depending on the leverage you guys are using, of course, if you're using 2x, that's 100% gain for you guys. If you're using 3x, that's up to 150% increase. Now 3x, guys, is for altcoins is the highest I will go. I won't do more than 3x for an altcoin. You could do 10x, 15x on Bitcoin, but for altcoins, especially like this, when you see big moves, shorters got wrecked, no question. So Reef to where was the target? Yeah, Reef to 3.4 cents is very possible. I really think that this will happen after perhaps a retest. Anyways, guys, that's a quick video on Reef and Bitcoin. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's free, and I will see you guys in my next video.